Hey everyone, Travis with Gorsuch Performance, and I wanted to give you a little bit of insight into our 4 pad or our number 4 compound brake pads. They're basically a semi-metallic material in general speak. What gives them the, I'll say, the sparking and whatnot to give it the cold bite? That comes down to kind of the materials that are put into the pad itself, obviously. Part of that is, I believe, a bonding agent or a bonding resin that goes into the pad to kind of hold everything together, as well as I'll say some metallic bits that actually are in there to help with the higher temperatures. The real key, and the guys work really hard to provide us with pads that really transition well, but the key is to have a pad that will actually transition from one temperature range to the other very smoothly and without any side effects that are undesirable or going to affect the driver and the performance of the pad. So getting it to transition as it's burning away those bonding resins and whatnot into, as the temperature rises, and getting into some of the metallic bits as they're starting to burn away, and you're kind of playing with the coefficient of friction of the whole pad itself. That's where I think our pads really shine and provide you with a very controllable coefficient of friction across the temperature range, and something that's you're able to modulate and really work with and find victory. Thanks, guys.